In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in Soda PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Secure tab up top, and then over here you have Create Redaction. So you simply click on Create Redaction, and then you have two options. You could either highlight over text just like this, and of course create a redaction selection that way, and it's going to turn red, and that basically means it's selected for redaction. Or you could draw rectangles just like this. So for example, click your left mouse click and then drag it out, release it whenever you're happy, and there we go. This is also marked for redaction. So you could do this wherever you want inside your PDF, completely up to you. And then you have to click on Apply Redaction up here. It's going to say that you're about to permanently remove all content that has been marked for redaction. And then this is going to take effect once your document is saved, okay? And that will not be able to be undone. Just if you're sure, click on OK. And it's going to start applying redactions on all your pages. There we go. And as you can see, this is now a redaction. I can't do anything with it. The text behind it has basically been erased and redacted. Now, of course, if I save this PDF, it's going to get permanent, but if I don't, I could just close down my PDF, reopen it again, and it's going to be still there. So just make sure you know that once you save the PDF and then reopen it, the redactions are permanent and it cannot be undone. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.